So guys, it's Tex Outlaw here, and I have an unboxing today. I have 3 boxes here from e-bike that I ordered. So we're gonna start out with the small one first here. Try and get right into it. So I got a mystery box here, and the first thing is a gas blowback, a M4 magazine that I have for my S&T Armament gas blowback M4, like 50 bucks right there. Then I have a Swiss Arms 9.6 volt battery for my brother that I bought right there. Then I got this is the mystery box that they sent me. I also ordered this magazine for one of my APS pistols. And this is what I got in the mystery box. Pretty lame. I got some maths. I had a shit ton of maths and some BBs. 0.23 gram, 5,000 rounds, and some patches I'm probably gonna throw in the trash or give away, and then some freaking stickers, bruh. Okay, fuck that. And then I have the second biggest box here. This is terrible. So, first thing here is an M61 sniper. If y'all want to pause the video and read all that, y'all can. It's a spring power 420 FPS with .2s, 25 round magazine, adjustable pop-up, all that good stuff. And we're gonna open it up real quick. Just a second. This is actually for my brother. I bought it for him, and he's gonna pay me for it. It's just to avoid buying guns separately. So I'm just gonna show y'all what it looks like. I'm pretty sure he's gonna need some help building it anyways. So that's what it actually looks like. Comes in 2 pieces, and then you assemble it. So I'm just gonna show it to y'all from the picture. That's what it would look like put together. So I'm putting that over there, and then have a full metal real wood Thompson M1A1. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. How it looks like when you first open the box. Are you close enough, bro? And then comes with a 1,100 milliamp 8.4 battery. Pretty basic. I'm probably not gonna use that though. And a just a normal charger. It comes with a cheap sling, which I'm not gonna use, and a the magazine flew all the way over here for some reason, but here it is. It's all metal. It is probably a high cap, yep, and it feels pretty beefy. And then here is the gun, which is hard to take out. I freaking hate it. So yeah, it has wood grip, wood hand guard, and a wood stock. These are the sights. The charging handle. The adjustable hop-up right there, I assume. And I'm not too familiar with these. I've actually never held one before, Airsoft or real. So the selector switch is right here. You have it to the back for single. And then you have it to the front for full auto. And then has another switch over here, which is the safe and the fire. So right now it's on safe, now it's on fire. And then the nice engravings right there. Thompson submachine gun, fake serial number, might be real, I don't know. And then with the mag in, it would go like this, or actually You have to line these little ridges up with these right here. So let me see if I can get it. Excuse my noob on this, my noob knowledge on this, guys. I don't know what the fuck is going on right now. What's happening? Huh. So there's a screw here that maybe they didn't put on right. I don't know if you can pick that up, bro. Right there, you see how it's kind of in the way? I don't know, but it's sticking out, and there's a screw in the way that is basically not letting me put the mag in. But here, let me try it again while pressing the, okay. So you have to basically press the mag release button whenever you want to put a magazine in, and then let it go, and it holds the mag in. It won't fall out no more, or at least it shouldn't. But yeah, that is the gun with the mag in, and I will remove this sticker on the top. Yeah, this is it for this one right here. Sorry it took me a while to get that one figured out. And then the last box, where's the knife at? What is the knife right here? The knife over here. And this is the Colt. I bought an M4 G3 M4 with a G3 gearbox with a micro switch. I don't know, it has a MOSFET in here. This is it right here. Key mod has a 4 rails, or no, I think that, yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a rail. And then has the energy right there, 1.4 joules maximum. This is the whole gun. Has flip up sights. How does these? Okay, so you put this back, okay. Okay. So they're pretty cool. I'm probably gonna replace those, and then a adjustable stock right here. Oh, that's plastic. It's terrible. With a plastic buffer too. So that lets me know that you gotta be very gentle with this. I got this on the Epic Deals section of their website for $130, I believe. And it comes with a metal high cap magazine and no battery or anything else, not even an uncleaning rod. So that's cool. And at least they gave you a manual. There's that, and then for the last gun, here it goes. This one is mine. This is my sniper. My brother got one, I got one as well. So it's basically a VSR 10 on the inside. Here's the box. Airsoft gun MBO 7B. Instruction manual. And then here's what it looks like inside the box. It comes in 2 pieces. The barrel is all metal, as well as the trigger assembly. Comes with some .2s, I assume. A speed loader. A cheap sling, which I will not be using. And a full metal bipod right here as well. And in addition to that, it comes with a scope. That I bought the bipod package scope, so the scope is right here. They added it separately It's a rifle scope. I assume that's the mount right here, and I'll mount this onto that and mount that on the gun. And that's basically it. That sums up the whole unboxing, guys. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. That's it, bro.